Hola! Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, kasama ko ulit kayo dito sa vlog na to. And my vlog is all about room tour. And we're here now at Vision Imperial Hotel, previously Excelsior Hotel. So, samahan niyo ako and I'll show you around. And let's talk about what happened yesterday. My travel from Abu Dhabi and going here in Dubai. So, hello, Dubai! Vision Imperial Hotel is near the Al Riga Metro train station. And as you can see, it's around 150 meters away from the metro. So I check in on this hotel. This is the facade of the main entrance. Obviously, the lovely sliding door. And they have that when you have too much carriage or luggage. And it's welcoming in a sense that people smiling, and this is the sofa of the main reception, and I love it. As you can see, the paintings and the lift, and of course, my God saving grace is the toilet, yeah, which is on that faraway side. And then they have another sofa there. You can see it for your quiet moments near the reception, and of course the toilet there. As you walk, it's full of marbles and I love it. And of course, I love the black tiles or marbles, and it looks like it's like a golden elevator. So I love. So far, it's so good. Don't be like me. I'm a bit compulsive. So I keep on putting and I keep on repeating what I have to do. So just keep on, because I'm waiting for the light or the blue light there, small light, but I couldn't see. So I keep on putting my key card. But obviously, the key card is very good because it's for our security as well, the guests. No one can enter on the different floors. So I love it. Room tour. Ayan. So, welcome to Dubai Hotel Vision Imperial. Yes, or the other way around, Vision Imperial Hotel. O, may bakal pa, no? Take 2. Welcome to Vision Imperial Hotel. And this vlog is hotel tour and room tour. As you can see, I'm now in my room, and on the right side you will see a massive wardrobe where we can put our clothes. It looks like an old wood, but wood is lucky, so it's fine. Managed to put my clothes there, clean clothes, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments.
Wow!
You can also put your shoes there. And then this one is, you can hang your clothes. Another side there, which is lovely. And then there you have it. I put some of my tidbits there. So it's a lovely, massive wardrobe wherein you can put your luggages there and other things. So I love this corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So loads of spaces. You can put your shoes, your undies, and everywhere. And this is a big space. And it's a key card. So when you say key card, you could just always put it there. But here, I was given 2. So this one is remaining there so that the aircon is always on. I never have to charge it. And then going this corner, it's a big side. As you can see, you can do selfie and dance in here because I love the floor, which is off-white. See? Off-white. They have a sign whether you want to make up your room which is very helpful, or you just want to keep quiet, please do not disturb. And here the fire layout. So first thing when you go in a hotel, we have to look the emergency exit. So I'm here in this corner. I'm on the 3rd floor, so I know where to go, which side of the building. It's very important, especially with the fire sign. So I knew that at that time I can go to what area. All right, and then let's go right away to the toilet. Yes, this is the toilet, and it's open now. The valve, they have bidet, which I love it. They have emergency phone just in case you're having Valsalva maneuver. What is Valsalva maneuver? When you're making it too much, when you're trying enough. And then they have a nice toilet. Alright. And it's flashes so far, but not as good. Ang itim ko na. Towel were given to me yesterday. And then, what I like is the handrail. So after swimming, yan. So, we can put our things there. Ayan. I have my handkerchief, because I'm so too much perspiration yesterday. So, ayan. Basang-basa. Pati yung t-shirt ko. Ayan. So, ang ganda niya, no? Yan yung tinatawag nilang handrail, which is very... Actually, hindi ko ginagamit yan. Nagustuhan ko lang. So, very spacious tong toilet. O, diba? Feel na feel ko. Feel na feel ko. O, dito sa toilet. Ayan. O, diba? O, nakikita pa rin niyo ako. Ayan. So, ayan. First, syempre, kasi kung magsiswimming tayo, we have this comfort, ang ating pop conditioner, ang cotton, kailangan may cotton, my face wash, the foaming face wash that I'm using, and then, RDL din ako. Batang RDL. Kasi calamansi flavor siya eh. Ayan, ang ating Fresh Protect, ang ating Aussie Moist Conditioner, Head and Shoulder, just in case na, meron silang pasabon, o diba, meron siya. Siyempre, nandito ang aking mga makeup kit. Kailangan din naman mag-makeup, lalo pag sanay ka na, no? Pero doon lang tayo sa brown and nude lipstick. At ito, thank you so much, Miss Leng Natividad, na bonggang-bongga. Ayan. Matagal na kami magkaibigan ni Leng at palagi siya sa aking may pag-gift ha, every time. So, binigyan niya ako ng facial cream, whitening Vita. Ito daw maganda daw yan. I try ko yan mamaya. Tapos, appreciate ko talaga. Kat Kidston na bonggang-bongga. Is it Kat Kidston? Oo. Scented lip balm. Mapabango pala to. Ayan, thank you Miss Leng Natividad. Bonggang-bongga. Hindi siya Kat Kidston. Ito yung Kat Kidston na bigay niya. Ginamit ko na kasi I tried it. Ang bango-bango. Itong pistachio o Kat Kidston, ang bango niya. At yung lotion. So, ang maganda dito sa pistachio, pag in-apply mo na, yon doon bumabango. Ang gandang combination sa skin. Siyempre, ang ating shaver, nandyan lang. Ay, kailangan tuyuin ko kasi shave ko lang. At ito, nagbigay naman ang Vision Imperial Hotel. Ayan, yan na yung logo nila, Vision Imperial, ng mga body wash, shampoo, and body lotion. At meron silang extra soap, apart from the soap that I use. At ayan, meron silang shower cap and vanity kit. O, diba? So, ayan. So, bathtub na to. So, you could see, maganda yung shower, no? Hindi pa ako nakapag-shower so far, pero maganda yung shower. Hindi ko pa nagagamit yan. Ayan. Curtain. Malinis naman yung curtain. On the left side, you will see the selfie mirror. O, diba? You can see yourself. Ayan. Bonggang-bongga ang selfie mirror. Maganda siya. O, diba? O. At this side naman ay, ayan, meron siyang lampshade. Bonggang-bongga this side. The corner of the bed. Ayan. So, malinis naman siya. But it's dated. Ibig sabihin, matagal na siya yung style niya. Hindi siya modern furnitures. At syempre, very observant ako sa bed. So, this side, hindi ko pa nagalaw. Pero ginamit ko na. Actually, ayan. Ang bed niya, dalawang single na pinagsama. So, naging extra large bed. More or less, malambot yung kama. Okay naman siya. At ginawa ko yung bed. Kahit natulog na ako kagabi, ang himbing naman ng tulog ko. Ayan. So, you can see that I had a good sleep. And mine to the corner of the bed. So, it's nice when you walk up, you do the bed. So, I did the bed. So, I love it. White linen. Fresh pillowcases. And this another corner. Yeah. Another lampshade when you read. And it's movable. See, it's movable. You can move it there. Yeah, and then you have the beautiful power socket. My phone is charging. And then here is the beautiful lampshade. Yes, on the side, on that corner. Actually, it's huge. And then there's a table here. I don't know the purpose of the table. Before that, we'll be back here. As you can see, in Dubai, welcome to Dubai. They always have that. Yeah. As you can see, they always have that where they put your luggage, your main luggage. So I was touched last night because he really looked after my luggage, the room boy, and then he put it there nicely. And it's quite heavy. And he put it there. And I noticed in Dubai, I don't know whether it's a standard. Yes. There's a standard here. Okay, so here is the telly. Yes, it's about 32 inch, between like that 28 to 32 inch. It's not so big. And then they also have that spa that they are. Yeah, and then the beverage menu when you want to order. Everything is here, which is good. Like I can see there soft drinks like Coke around 6 AED. And then room charges checklist. Yeah. Missing, damage, or removal of hotel property. So make sure they do check that one. Okay. Even this one, the remote control, I requested for it because I couldn't see it yesterday. So far so good. I love the hotel. I love the stripes, brownish vanilla. Yeah, beige stripes of the curtain. And of course that chair, a queen size chair. And I don't know what's the purpose, because I know last time in the other hotel they also put the luggage. Probably there we have to put our, on that side, if we're not using it for food, we can use that for when we have you know, our, shall we say, our handbags or hand luggage. Because I noticed bags are never put on the floor. So I need to get my backpack. Probably I have to put it there. Okay? Yeah, because yeah, one of our kababayan, Filipino, he said to me, you don't put your bag on the floor. O, diba? So this corner is very nice because you have another drawer, which obviously I might forget something, so I'm not putting anything there. I have my shades just in case. And my this is, you know, very important here in Dubai. Yes, this is my pan. Very refreshing. Yeah, always use this fan. Yeah, so it's chargeable, and you can, there's a stand as well like that. So we can leave it like that. All right. And the good thing is they have socket there, so you can remove the one for the lampshade and you can use. But at the moment, I'm happy. Yeah. Okay. And then is the aisle table, I usually say, which is nice. It's glass. All right. And the chair is clean, queenly chair. I like it's match, but probably if you're two, they put two chairs, but I got one. So this corner, let's go with the fridge at the bottom of the telly. Yeah, so I got my ice cream, I got my milk, which I bought yesterday, the pistachio ice cream, and then the milk, and then the mineral water. So enough to put your personal thing. So that's it. They have a trash can. I'm trying to sort out my things. So I have the for the recycle, and this the other bin, and then they have their main telephone. And the good thing is they have their kettle. It's already here, and they provided two cups. Yes. So I will put my things here, my perfumes, my accessories. Ayan, you could see my watch. Yeah, it's Gucci watch, my jewelry, and my rosary, and everything that I've got here. I have two cents ba ang tawag here? 2 cents. And here my tidbits, my bag, which I bought in Grand Emirates. And then water, of course. I always, even though they give water, look, I always stock my own. I buy, but they only gave me 2. Obviously, when you do coffee, you need more. And this one, I managed to get some sweetener from the hotel. And I put my cup here. I put my medicine and everything there, okay? So far, so good. And another mirror. You can see here, another mirror. Yeah, so this is the actual room tour. Very spacious, 28 meters, I think. The painting is nice. There's no bad vibes. Yeah, cool. Actually, when I came in, it's like no life. So it's very important once you come in a hotel that you're the one. You carry good vibes. So I carried good vibes. So it's good vibes now. It's better. Yeah. It's not a low ceiling. So far it's nice. It's not too low. I love it. Not too bad. And the toilet is huge with everything. I cannot say for more. I cannot demand for more. I knew it's a budget hotel and I booked it from booking.com. Thank you so much. I would like to share my experience yesterday. Coming from Abu Dhabi, I went to Central Bus Station and I just walked. And it's around 12 noon. Oh my God, it's really hot. The scorchful heat of the sun. And it's like 31 degrees, feels like 36 degrees, but I managed to do it. I saved 12 AED or 12 dirhams. But because it's just near my hotel, it's just near Queen Palace Hotel, it's just really one, shall I say, 100 meters away. So it's really near. And then I caught the bus, and then it was really hot inside the bus, but I able to sleep. It's only a supposedly 2 hours travel, but the driver was so quick. He made it for only 1 hour and 15 minutes. Supposedly 1 hour and 44 minutes. I'm so happy with it. And then I caught metro, red line, from IBN Batuta metro station going through red line, going here in Al Riga, so near the airport. So this hotel, Vision Imperial Hotel, so you have to do exit 2 from the metro trail. Find the exit. You need to ask, because especially if you have luggage like me, I had luggage. Ayan, so nakakaloka, diba? Nakakaloka means OMG. So ayun, ang init at saka ang hirap magtanong-tanong, diba? Embarrassing. But kumain ako kahapon. I ate, ayan. So I want to share that I ate yesterday in the landmark Filipino-Indian restaurant and I love it. Thank you so much. Shout out to the waiters there and the waitresses, the waiters. Yeah, very kind. And I love the food. I ate kare-kare, which is with peanut sauce with, I think it's like a chicken. It was like a chicken kare-kare, no, chicken style, because they don't have pork here. And then I also tried the sumptuous Pinoy style seafood soup. Yeah, so much about what I eat. I'm getting bloated now. And what do they expect today? I'm here in Dira, so I would like to visit the old town, which is the old Abu Dhabi, or shall we say the old Dubai. I'm still thinking of Abu Dhabi, sorry. So because good memories in Abu Dhabi. So thank you so much for all the staff who look after me in all the hotels that I check in. Now in Vision Imperial, you feel like royal. So I hope you enjoy the room tour and of course the sharing of tips, ideas, and sometimes I speak in English, sometimes I speak in Tagalog to cater for other friends who live in different side of the world, who speaks English, who likes English, or of course, my Filipino friends. And so far, so good. Thank you so much to those who are really responding when I ask them question. Ating mga kababayan, Filipinos, they really share their thoughts, and I love it. So, that's it. Another tip before I turn out, miter the corner of the bed. Do you see that? It should be mitered. Yeah, when you say miter the corner of the bed, yeah, we'll make sure that the bed is secured. Okay, lessons learned. So, we should have practical lessons. Number one lesson is sometimes we have what we call false economy. False economy is you're trying to save money, however, you're not actually saving it because you're spending more. So you have to be careful of making decision. Like for example, you will buy fake products. By that time, you will realize fake products is just nearly like that. So we can buy fake products as long as we're happy and we love it. We need it as well. So you feel it and you need it. And then secondly, I learned, apart from the false economy, when you're trying to save and then you're not saving, second is self-care. Love yourself. Don't let anyone dictate you what you wanted. Don't let anyone say, oh, this is what will happen. Because when you're on holiday, it's your holiday. It's you. It's how you do it. Yeah. And then number 3, learn to compromise. Compromise is like being adaptive to the culture and traditions of a specific country. There's a saying that when you're in Rome, do what the Romans do. So it's when you're in Dubai, do what the Emiratis do as well. So you should know about the fallacies, the traditions, the do's and don'ts. So me, coming from Europe, I tried my best to tame my makeup and try to at least I try to be respectful, especially to the women and children here and to their tradition. All right, this is Madam Chrissy saying, when you're in Dubai, do what do what you want to do. Do what, yeah. Just be happy and spend your time wisely, and make sure when you're in Dubai, drink a lot of water. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.